Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I am again come to you with some top news of the football and cricketing world. So let's start the game. So first of all, I am going to wish a very happy birthday to MS Dhoni and to all wishes to all his fans. I think MS Dhoni is one of the most important player for Indian cricket team for the last 15 years. MS Dhoni, the captain, the player and the wicket keeper have contributed to Indian cricket team so well that he gave us 3 ICC trophies continuously. So now many happy returns of the day to MS Dhoni. So now let's come to our today's topic. In today's topic, I will give some cricketing news about the cricketing match between West Indies and England. And the first is I am going to give a preview of the tomorrow's match between West Indies and England. This is the first match after the COVID-19 crisis all over the world. So it is going to be the new start of Test cricket in all over the world. So this is the playing 11 of England team. You can see I have put some great players in England team. If you do not know, I am going to tell you that this is the first series in which Ben Stokes will be the captain of the English international team. The English international team has a fierce bowling attack consisting of Jofra Archer, James Anderson and Stuart Broad. James Anderson and Stuart Broad are one of the most fierce pair of bowling attack. So I wish that England will move up to the top and will beat West Indies easily. But West Indies will not give up their chances so easily. Now this is the playing 11 of West Indies. You can see they have 2 of the top batsmen in the world, Craig Brathwaite and Shai Hope. These 2 batsmen have been dominating the world cricket from the last 2 years. They have 2 very good all-rounders with the name of Jason Holder and Roston Chase. They could take wickets as well as score runs. They have also a very good bowling lineup which included Kemar Roach, Jason Gabriel and also Shane Holder, and also they have a good spin attack with the Roston Chase. If you do not know, I am going to tell you that last time when England came to West Indies, West Indies beat England with a score of 3-1. Now from this you can conclude that how West Indies is dangerous in their home. Therefore, I think that this is going to be a tough fight, but we are also cricket lovers. So we think this is a new sunrise for the cricketing world after the COVID situation. So let's hope that these matches will be interesting. And now let's come to the footballing news. The first and important footballing news is that in the last match of Barcelona had beaten Villarreal with a magnificent score of 4-1. This is one of the best matches I have ever seen in the La Liga this season for Barcelona. Because in this their midfield and attack combined very well to give a setback to Villarreal team. Antoine Griezmann, who has been criticized for the last few games, shows us a glimpse of what he can do. Lionel Messi gave 2 fantastic assists to score Luis Suarez and also for Ansu Fati and Antoine Griezmann. The goal from Antoine Griezmann was magnificent. He just gave a chip to enter to the goal. Therefore, on that day, Barcelona totally different team before catches. The coach Quique Setien has also said that they had some change in tactics so that the midfield and the attack will combine to give a better result for Barcelona. Now the second important is that Mihalis Pjanic, a midfielder of Juventus, has been swapped with Arthur of Barcelona. This is a second continuous transfer of Barcelona with Juventus. In the news it is came to that Barcelona are giving 72 million for Arthur and Juventus is willing to give 60 million for Pjanic. The deal is closed and the next summer Pjanic will arrive to the Barcelona. If I am not wrong, Pjanic is a very passing ball game. He always wanted to pass with the players, not trying so many skills. So it will definitely fit with the Barca game because you know that Barca is a team of tiki-taka made by Pep Guardiola. Even in these days, they also form the formation of 4-3-3. This is the blood of Barcelona. Therefore, I expect that Pjanic will not like the failure transfer like Malcolm Coutinho. I hope for Barcelona, Pjanic will be a great transfer and will help Barcelona to win more leagues. So this is all about the different types of newses between football and cricketing world. Next I will come with another preview of football on Saturday or Sunday. Please subscribe me and do not forget to share the channel, and also please eat healthy things to keep your immunity, so that we could fight this COVID-19 with a sportsman spirit.